Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Auto Tech. Are you looking for the top 5 best 4K dashcam with night vision 2024? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best 4K dashcam with night vision 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Vantrue N2S 4K dashcam with GPS. Front and inside dual 2.5K 1440p, IR night vision Uber car camera, 24/7 recording parking mode, motion detection, 256 GB. The Vantrue N2S 4K dashcam is an advanced dual camera system designed for comprehensive vehicle security. Equipped with both front and inside cameras, this device records in stunning 4K resolution on the front camera and 2.5K 1440p on the inside, ensuring every detail is captured with clarity. The interior camera is enhanced with infrared IR night vision, making it ideal for rideshare drivers such as Uber and Lyft, who need to record both day and night. This dashcam also features a built-in GPS, allowing you to track your vehicle's location and speed in real time, adding an extra layer of security and providing crucial evidence in the event of an incident. The 24/7 recording parking mode ensures your vehicle is monitored even when you're away, with motion detection triggering recording if any movement is detected near your car. With support for up to 256 GB of storage, you can record hours of footage without worrying about running out of space. Whether you're a professional driver or simply want peace of mind on the road, the Vantrue N2S 4K dashcam is a reliable and high-performance option that covers all your security needs. Number 2. Rediger 4K dashcam front and rear, touchscreen 3.18-inch, 64 GB card included, car dash camera built-in Wi-Fi GPS, HD 2160p night vision, WDR, parking. The Redtiger 4K dashcam is a top-tier choice for anyone looking to enhance their vehicle's safety and recording capabilities. This dual dashcam setup includes front and rear cameras that capture ultra-high-definition EAG video in 2160p, ensuring crystal-clear footage of your journeys, even in low-light conditions thanks to its advanced night vision and wide dynamic range WDR technology. One of the standout features is the intuitive 3.18-inch touchscreen, which makes navigating the camera's settings straightforward and user-friendly. The inclusion of a 64 GB memory card allows for ample storage right out of the box, and the built-in Wi-Fi and GPS features add an extra layer of convenience. With Wi-Fi, you can easily view and download footage to your smartphone, while GPS tracks your exact location and speed, providing crucial details in the event of an incident. Moreover, the dashcam is equipped with parking mode, ensuring your car is monitored even when you're away, whether for daily commutes or long road trips. The Rediger 4K dashcam offers reliable performance, exceptional video quality, and advanced features, making it a valuable investment for any driver. Number 3. 4K 3-channel dashcam Sarmert 2024 upgraded GPS 5G Wi-Fi dashcam front and rear inside 4K 1080p, free 64 GB card, 3.18 screen, IR night. The Sarmert 2024 upgraded 4K 3-channel dashcam is a top-of-the-line device designed for ultimate road safety and convenience. Equipped with cutting-edge GPS and 5G Wi-Fi capabilities, this dashcam provides seamless connectivity for real-time tracking and video access. The triple camera setup includes a front 4K camera and rear and inside 1080p cameras, ensuring comprehensive coverage of your vehicle's surroundings. With the free 64 GB memory card included, you can store hours of high-definition footage without the need for immediate backup. The 3.18 screen offers clear and easy navigation through the camera's settings and recorded videos, while the IR night vision technology ensures that you capture sharp and detailed footage even in low-light conditions. Whether you're concerned about road safety, vehicle security, or simply want to capture your driving experiences, the Sarmert 2024 dashcam is an excellent choice. Its sleek design, coupled with powerful features like loop recording and motion detection, makes it a reliable companion for every journey. Stay connected, stay protected, and drive with peace of mind with the Sarmert 2024 upgraded dashcam. Number 4. Redtiger F9 dashcam 4K front and rear 1080p Wi-Fi GPS car camera with 32 gigabytes card, dual dash camera for cars, loop recording, night vision, parking mode. The Redtiger F9 dashcam offers exceptional protection and peace of mind with its advanced features and reliable performance. Equipped with a 4K Ultra HD front camera and a 1080p rear camera, this dual dash camera system ensures crystal clear video recordings, capturing every detail on the road. The included 32 gigabytes card provides ample storage, while the loop recording feature automatically overwrites old footage, ensuring you never miss a moment. This dash cam is more than just a camera, it's a smart device with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. The Wi-Fi functionality allows you to easily view, download, and share footage via the dedicated mobile app. Meanwhile, the GPS feature tracks your vehicle's location and speed, adding an extra layer of information to your recordings. Night vision technology ensures high-quality video even in low-light conditions, while parking mode offers continuous surveillance when your car is parked, protecting against theft and vandalism. The Rediger F9 dashcam is designed with ease of use in mind, featuring a straightforward setup process and user-friendly interface, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their driving security with a reliable, high-quality dash camera system. Number 5. AZDOME M553 channel dashcam, 4K 1080p dual dash camera for cars, built-in Wi-Fi GPS, 1440p 1080p front and rear inside, 64 gigabytes card included, 3.19. The AZDOME M553 channel dashcam is a top-tier choice for drivers seeking comprehensive coverage and high-quality video recording. This dashcam offers a 4K 1080p dual dash camera setup, providing crystal-clear footage of the road ahead, while also capturing 1440p 1080p video from the front, rear, and inside of your vehicle. This ensures that every angle is covered, making it ideal for both personal use and rideshare drivers who need to monitor passengers. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, the M550 allows you to easily access and share footage via your smartphone, while also tracking your driving route and speed. The inclusion of a 64 gigabytes memory card means you're ready to record right out of the box without needing to purchase additional accessories. The 3.19 display offers a clear view of recordings and settings, making it easy to operate even while on the go, with advanced features like loop recording, G-sensor, and night vision. The AZDOME M550 ensures you're covered in all driving conditions. Reliable, high quality, and easy to use, this dashcam is an excellent investment for enhancing your vehicle's safety and security.